You can see my screen now.
Come in.
You
Yes.
can see my screen.
Yes, yes.
Okay, just
I see.
mute your mic. Or if you like mute, no mute. Anyone, all of them join. It's just the both of us. So as I was saying earlier on, Kevin, I believe you understand the ideas and watch list now, have you?
Yes.
So now, let's just analyze this chart. Let me break it down to daily. This is daily. If you notice, it has been. This is daily. So let's just quickly map our highs and low. Let's use the current trend. This one is just like we want to get a quick. Most say you just get one money where you already risk, Sabi. You hear me, Kevin?
Mm.
You have one fund that you are ready to risk. You know you want to trade with money that you can afford to lose, not money that is dear to you, not money that is dear to you or never. This is based on experience. Never, God is Lord. Never use money that maybe someone send you on an errand or someone's money that is with you to trade. You go already cry without it. You want to risk money that you can afford to lose because that kind of money you have a peace of mind. You have a peace of mind. You get my point. You have a peace of mind. You trade it well. You'll be free. So this high and low now. This one now just want to catch a trend. Price is at what we call market currently now is at what we call uh fair value gap. So what we want to do now in this kind of trend, Kevin, note this one is very important. What we want to do is for you to just draw your fib from your resistance down to your support because it's currently an uptrend on the current trend. It's an uptrend. You can see the fib is not giving you any insight. The fib is not making sense here. What you want to do, take it out. So now, as anytime price is at a fair value gap, this blue, let me turn it to blue. Let me turn it to blue. You can see the blue line, Abby. Anytime
Mm.
price is at fair value gap. So now we want to work with this trend, this uptrend that I said is bullish. This is they call this one triangle. So we want to work with this. We want to find our entry inside the zone now. So and this uptrend now is at fair value gap. We want to see a retracement because whenever price gets to a fair value gap or other block, we want to see a retracement. So what are we going to do now? Let's break down to the 4 hours because we want to work with the recent trend. We want to catch our entry here. So Kevin, can you just based on understanding, what do you think you can do here inside this box? What do you think on this recent trend that is on an uptrend? What do you think?
Mm. First of all, if I'm offering yes, then probably wait for a retracement back to the resistance, like the previous resistance.
Yes, that's cool, but notice we want to catch an entry, like we want to trade. You want to trade. You're having the money and you just want to trade the money. What you want to do, the next thing you want to do after something like this is placing your Fibonacci. So where are you going to place your Fibonacci? Guys, sorry, let me introduce you,
From
Kevin. Guys, this video is being recorded. This is Kevin from my private mentorship. I've taught him a lot of things, so I'm just trying to ask him to see if already he's catching up. I just want to like refresh and remember him some things I've taught him. So Kevin, where are you going to place your fib? Sorry,
your fib will be from the down.
which
Start from
is
the down
known
because
as
it's an uptrend.
in the forest language is
Okay, yes,
called
the low.
uh-huh. It's still called something else again.
Low.
Your support or
Yeah, the support.
your
Yes,
support.
the support your resistance.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm trying to reply message. Sorry.
Mm.
So Kevin, you stay up late like this.
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay. Ah, it's cool now.
I'm good though.
Relax. So now we want to place our fib. We want to place our fib from our support down up to
The resistance.
our resistance. And now that we've placed, where are we looking to see price come retrace back to?
The 0.5 level.
Ah, how you be Yoruba?
No,
You be
no.
Benin boy, Edo Abi.
Yes.
I for speak Yoruba for you.
Mm.
I want to speak for you now, like it go better for you.
Mm.
So we want to catch this retracement now. We want trade that retracement. Now we want trade come that what is this now? Kilo day. Trading view, allow me. So we want to cap that move now. So this is our we've known our TP abi, the
Yes.
0.5.
Yes.
So let me map this 0.5. Let me put a 2 there. This line. Let me turn it to green or red. Which one? Red. So you see this red line now, Kevin. That
Yes.
is that is the 0.5, our TP abi.
Yes.
So in order to like avoid a lot of 2 in the chart, I want to take out my fib. So the fib is of no use now, right?
Yes. We've
Because we've
gotten the
known our
retracement.
TP. Yes.
Yes.
So this red line now, you've known how we come about it and you know what you are looking to see happen in the red line. That is our
Yes.
TP area, right?
Yes.
So let me just put a little slogan of dollar. Ah, what's the time safe?
Let me say 3 o'clock.
Yeah. Oh boy. Sorry. Uh, okay. Let's work. So the red line now is where we want to see price come to. So now we want to go and we want to work up here in order to find our entry, right? Let me show you. Okay, we can see clearly.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So we want to work inside this box now in order to find our entry that we are going to in order to find our entry that will take us down to that TP. We've known our TP already, right?
Yes.
Let me take everything. So in order to find entry, you want to break down. Oh my living God! You want to break down to the
Lower
lower
time frame.
time frame. Yeah. Sorry, it's just like I'm also working, so that's why it's just as if I'm also working. So that's why I'm not talking. I'm not talking that much as I'm working also, because
Okay.
what I'm doing here is from my head. Like I'm calculating. Like okay. So the next thing I want to do here is to draw a trend line. If I leave Kevin is supposed to be continue from here. Voila. Is to draw a trend line. You can see, right?
Yes.
You know what to do next year, like, I guess.
You go for a sell, a short.
Yeah, yeah. If it what
If it doesn't break the trend line.
you want to have nothing to do here at the moment,
Okay,
because
if it
I've
break the
already
trend line, then you go
analyzed.
short.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
I've already analyzed earlier on, and I know that this trade is going to break because we've gotten a
Yes.
multiple highs. Which market? Remember
Yes.
what I told you? After consolidation, the next thing is expansion, then
Yes.
retracement. So if you notice
Yes.
this high now, this multiple high, this high now, there is no retracement, Abby. So it's the retracement
Mm.
now we want to catch. And I've seen that yes, this trend line is definitely going to be taken out. The market is going to break the
Yes.
trend line. So the next thing I want to do now, that is, I'm already in for this trade because there is this little account like let me say it was a kind of argument between me and my friend. He was like, I cannot I cannot flip this little account, very, 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 very little. He was like, I cannot flip it, and I'm trying to prove him wrong that years of experience is differs from months of experience. So it was even 3 pips. You know what 3 pips in are like? Three
Yes.
pips. Yeah, it was 3 pips, and I'm trying to prove it wrong that I can turn that 3 pips to something huge. So the next thing, I'm in for this trade. I'm going to show you. So the next thing here that we are going to do, except the market will respect this trend line and start going up.
Mm.
Sorry. Except the market will respect this trend line and start going up and take me out from this trade. But based on my analysis and calculation and what I've taught you, Kevin, expansion, retracement,
Retracement.
consolidation. You can see what's happening now. I want to see the market break this trend line and come down to that red line. You understand, Abi?
Yes.
So it has successfully break the trend now. So now that the market has break this trend, okay, if you notice before this break of trend line happened, I said it too. Based on my analysis, I want to see this trend line being taken out, being broken,
Yes.
right? So you can see
Yes.
it's happening now. What thing they make this thing come out? So I said I want to see this trend line being taken out down
Yes.
to that this what's it called, trading view. Now only when they do heads, down to that red line, right? So what is the next thing for you to do? You that you didn't enter this trade. Remember, Kevin, if you are just assume that you are just analyzing the market now, right? You have nothing to
Mm.
do here at this point. Remember, you have
Yes.
nothing to do here. What you want to do? You will wait for this candlestick close. You see this current candlestick bar that is going down. This last
Yes.
candlestick that is going down.
Yes.
You wait for the close. What you are going to do that the previous candlestick before the last one, that is the second to the last. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
What you do, you will map because we've got our drawn liquidity. That is, we've known where price is going already, right?
Yes.
So what you do now, this last candlestick, you will map it. You can see what I did, Abby. The last
Yes.
candlestick, I mapped the last candlestick. Sorry, the second to the last candlestick. You can see this. Let me show you. 5% can.
So is it possible for me to start from the one day time frame for analysis?
Hmm?
Is it possible
Hmm.
for me to start from the one
Possible for you to what?
one day analysis or from the 1 month?
I'm coming. I'll get back to your question. Sorry. So you want to this previous second to the last candlestick, you will map it. Can you hear me?
Yes.
That will be your entry. That will be you wait for this current candlestick now, because now that this is 15 minutes, and in the next 5 minutes, this current candlestick will close, and another candlestick will be out.
Yes.
So this is the candlestick that will give us our entry now. You see this candlestick I map, Abi? That is the second to the last
Yes.
candlestick that I map. That is the one that
Yes.
will give us our entry. Let me
Okay.
change. You can see that is the one that will give us our entry. You can see this candlestick that is having dot on it, Abby. That
Yes.
is the candlestick that will give us our entry because we've confirmed a breakout now. And in the next 4 minutes, this current candlestick, that is this last candlestick, will close. So the next candlestick that will come outside, the next candlestick that will come outside, I want to see it. I want to see it touches. I want to see it touches this red line. Can you hear me?
Yes.
So once it touches this red line, that is where I'm going to sell, enter for a sell because me, I'm a contrarian trader. And what a contrarian trader means, that is I oppose the market. If the market is going up, I'll be selling down. I don't know. That is when I'll be selling. If the market is going down, that is when I'll be buying. I don't know if you get my point.
Yes.
But it depends on your strategy. My stop loss will be above. My stop loss will be above this previous candlestick. You can see it, Abby. Yeah, I
Mm.
mean, I'll still teach you on how to frame stop loss. And here will be these our take profits.
That's
Because all these things, I just teach you based on if you are not having trend line. Why I'm doing this is because if you are not having trend line, this is what you are going to use. But now that you are having trend line and you've seen this breakout, and I'm your mentor, I'm telling you this is where price is going to go to. It just be like wahala. You understand? It just be like wahala to wait for the next candlestick. You get me? Like to wait
yes.
for the next candlestick to get back to that red line. So remember, whenever trade breaks the trend line, what you want to see is an aggressive move. So in order to just because what we are having now is not a really big or long interval from the red line. I don't know if you get me.
Yes.
It's not a big interval like there's no much distance. You understand? So you want to enter for the trade now to sell. So this is where I post signal to say sell social USD, sell social currency pair. You get my point?
Yes.
So now I'm going to screenshot it. I'm going to screenshot it. Where will be our TP? You remember?
Yes. It supports.
This red line, have you?
Yes.
This red line is our TP. So we want to because we are having a big a huge TP, we want to increase our stop loss. Let it be because this is I'm risking 1% now to get like I've taught you on a risk to reward, but
Mm.
this one is like I'm risking 1% now to get like 10%. Do you feel me? You get me? So
Yes.
because it's 10%, I want to risk 2%. You understand?
Yes.
So now like this, I'm risking 2%. I'm risking 2% now to get 10%. So Kevin, you can see Abby.
Yes.
Okay, now let me screenshot it. Sorry. Kevin, you can see my screen fully, ba?
I can see it.
So let me show you how I come about saying buy so thing, buy so thing. So now I want to what I screenshotted. Sorry, sell AUD USD. Imagine dragons. Sell AUD. How is that? No, you never tell me. Sell AUD USD. Apply proper risk management. Stop loss. Stop loss. What's the stop loss here? The stop loss is till I say you cry. 67. The
Six
stop
seven
loss is
five seven five.
67.3. No, 67 0.67356 0.67356. That red line, that red that is
Mm.
showing 0.67356. I mean, hold on for it. Stop loss 0.60 what? 67,356. Then take profit. Take profit 0. We'll go see our take profit. You can see that you can see it from here now. 0.65632. Go. That is that red line down.
Yes.
0.65632.
Straight to yes. 6 3
0.65632.
2.
I don't post them now. I think let me do it more. Let me rotate it and make it more. So you can see now I post this signal. So this is how I post signal. So you've seen whenever I post signal, so you can see how I post signal, right?
Yes.
Tell me where you do. I'm going to. Kevin, can you hear me clear? Can you hear me clear? Hello, Kevin. Hello, Kevin. Can you hear me clear? Tell me where you do. That's if I today. This video is how many minutes now? Kevin, can you hear me? Kevin, his network is kind of fluctuating. Okay, I think he wants to rejoin. So this is how I post signal, guys. You've seen it. This is how I post signal, analyze the market, and post signal. Kevin, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. So this is how whenever I see I post signal. So you've seen how I post signal now, right, Kevin?
Yes.
Yeah, this is how I post signal, analyze the market, and post signal. So let's go and check our trade now. Let's check what's happening. I think the next candle is out for 15 minutes chat. So you see what I taught you, Abby? To wait for the next
Yes.
candle. You can see how the candle touches that spot that I wanted it to touch, and you can see
Yes.
how it came down. So I was explaining for you that a friend of mine was kind of challenging me in order to flip a little, in order to flip, in order to flip 3 pips, and I want to show him that these 3 pips, I'm going to take it to what he won't be able to imagine. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Right now we are not in profit, we are not in loss. But the trade I took earlier on, let me go. Let's check it. Let's check it because the guy was kind of like doubting me. Messi, you cannot change. You cannot flip these 3 pips. Flip, oh, if because when they say flip, they mean like as I'm having that 3 pips, I should flip it to like 6 pips. That is what we call flipping. But I want to flip that 3 pips times three. Let's check it. Let's check it now. Very very small 3 pips. Oh. You can see I'm in profit of like 1 point. This is the 3 points. You can see the balance is 3.56, right?
Yes.
And my equity is like
5.6.
5.40. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So if I'm closing this trade now, it's just remaining some cents that I'll flip the account. If I should get 60 cents now, I'll flip the account. You understand, Kevin? Abi?
Yes.
Tell me where you do. Market Saturday. I won't make you do. But I miss you every day. I'm a call away. I'll be on my way. Today. ADS. This is an live account. So you can see, Abby. This
Yes.
is an live account. Tyler. See. Before you come Ali. Aha. So this is an live account. And where is my T? You know, you already know where. You already know our TP now. Oh.
Yes.
So let me frame TP here now. Ladies, come on. Anyone is Iris. You can see now we are in profit. The market is start moving our favor.
Yes.
Our TP is 65,632.
Sir.
65,632.
Yes.
See, I'm about to flip this account. You can see it. Eh? I better go. I nearly go close up portion now. 65. I bet me check 65 what you said.
So that's
No, okay, I have to
632.
check on my. Okay, 65,632. Right?
So yes.
Let me copy it. 25. Come on. This is 0.65632. So this is like an example. I'm using this account to. You can see now in 40 cents, I'll be flipping this account. Yeah, 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 yeah. Got away from you. Wait, got away from. Got away from. And I posted this signal on our Telegram, Elvin the proof. I posted this signal on Telegram, which was clear. So Kevin, let me end the recording because I guess it's over 37 minutes. So make I end the record, but the
All right.
video will still continue. We'll continue. So I'm ending the record so I can post it because I don't want the record to be long, but the video chat will still continue. You understand?
Yes.
So guys, thank you for your time. Wherever you are watching from, via YouTube, TikTok, wherever you're watching from, make sure you're subscribing or following. We do this always. This you can see. We are doing this real, not we are doing this real and live. We are supposed to be asleep now, but we all know what we are looking for. We know what we are chasing. We have purposes to fulfill, promises to fulfill. So thank you for your time, and I believe to see you next time. Make sure you like, subscribe. It will motivate to do more for you guys. Thank you. Have a great day.